Who said you can't enjoy the mojito cocktail even as a mocktail? Who said mojito cannot be enjoyed without alcohol? Well, let me teach you today how to make this awesome pineapple mojito, watermelon mojito, and classic mojito without alcohol. Well, starting with our watermelon mojito. First, you get your glass, add your watermelon, mint leaf, add your sugar, and then you muddle together. Do not worry, as I'll be dropping the exact recipe and measurements for you in the description box. So go there and you get all the recipes and measurements that you need. Added my ice cube, and then I added my soda. And then I'll stir this vigorously to allow all the ingredients mix together and fill it up more with more soda. And then I'll garnish with my mint leaf. Just look at it, simple, easy. And your watermelon mojito mocktail is ready for you to enjoy. And the next is our pineapple mojito. You get your fresh pineapples, you add it into your glass cup with some mint leaf, sugar, and then your lime juice. And then you muddle this together. Once you've done this, you muddle, make sure that everything is well muddled together. As you add in your crushed ice, and then you add in some more mint leaf to give it more minty flavor, and you add your soda water, and then you stir this vigorously. Please stir very well so that all the ingredients down will mix together, and you garnish with your fresh pineapple and mint leaf. Look at that. Yeah, our pineapple mojito is ready. And the next is our classic virgin mojito. All you just need is add your mint leaf in a glass cup, and you add in some lime juice, and then you add in your sugar, and then you muddle this together. Next thing you add in your ice, crushed ice, and then you fill up with more soda water. Stir these as usual, stir, and then you garnish with your mint leaf, and our classic virgin mojito mocktail is ready. You see? So this is the version of our mojito without alcohol. So the version with alcohol, I'll be dropping that soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you subscribe to my channel, as I always and will always share amazing recipes. Till I see you again, I love you.